Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Today is a beautiful day here in sunny Florida, and I hope you guys are all having a great day wherever you are. And before I get started, I just wanted to shout out again to all my current subscribers. Thank you guys so much for everything you do, all the likes, all the comments, all the love, everything, all the support you guys are giving me. You're helping me grow this channel from the ground up, and it is growing in record time. I'm over 400. I believe I hit 416 this morning, and I could not be happier about that. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. You're great. Keep the love coming. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you consider giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, because I come at you with watch review videos all the time. If you like this content, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So let's get started on today's video. Today's video is a watch that I purchased a while back, and I've actually worn it in some of my videos. I've actually had it displayed in my cases on some of my videos, and then it dawned on me last night that I never really did a proper review on this watch. The problem is when I went to try and find the same watch again, I couldn't find it anywhere. So I did actually find a better version of the watch made by Pagani Design. And I don't know if you guys have seen my recent videos, but Pagani Design is a really, really great quality watch, guys. It's very, very solid, very well built. Well, they have a version of the watch I'm going to show you today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link to that watch in the description below so you guys can check it out for yourself. Pick it up on Amazon Prime with their amazing return policy. So if you don't like it, you got nothing to lose. You can always return it. But the watch that I'm about to show you today is actually a very good watch. Like I said, I can't find the link to it anymore. So I think maybe it was just a closeout model or something. But the Pagani Design version of this watch should actually be a lot better. And honestly, I'm actually contemplating buying the Pagani Design version of this watch myself just so that I can have it, because I really love this watch, and I can only imagine what the quality of the Pagani Design version is. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into what this watch is. And like I said, I will post a link to the better version of this watch in the description below. This is a wonderful, wonderful watch, guys. It is beautiful in all of its appearance. I have gotten so many compliments on this watch that I can't even give you a number. This watch is so interesting to people when I wear it. It's a rendition and an homage of the Patek Philippe Nautilus with the Tiffany blue dial. And it is a wonderful watch in every aspect. It's just a great watch. It holds great time. It's a quartz movement. It's nothing really special. It boasts 3 ATM water resistant. I have not tested the efficacy of this in the water. I have not, subjected it to anything other than, maybe watering the lawn, doing some dishes, basic chores around the house. I have not submerged it in any water or anything, but it does keep great time. It's a really great watch. Beautiful, beautiful dial on this thing, guys, and the color, it's just wonderful. I mean, it's just a wonderfully colored watch. And if you do like this aqua, this turquoise color, then this is definitely a watch you're going to want to pick up. This is a really sharp watch. The watch that this pays homage to is a $1.6 million watch. $1.6 million. One of these watches actually sold at auction for $5.5 million. Now, to me, that's insane. That is just insane. But this is an homage, obviously, and I paid less than $100 for this watch. I think I might have even paid less than $50. I can't remember, to be honest with you. And like I said, I can't find the link to it anymore. But the Pagani Design version of this watch is actually about 90 bucks on Amazon right now. $90 to give you basically a $1.5 to $5.5 million look. And I know it's not the same. I don't want my haters to start jumping on board and crucifying me about how it's garbage and it's a fake and it's a clone and it's a copy. No, guys, it's just an homage. Let's all calm down here. Let's take it easy. It's not trying to rip anybody off. All it's doing is following the same stylistic designs as a much more expensive watch. It is not a Patek Philippe. I'm not telling you it is. It's not saying that it is either. The version that I'm about to send you to a link to is a Pagani Design. It is not a Patek Philippe. Pagani Design is a very, very good watch manufacturer. They come out with some really, really great watches, but the standard in the industry is the major players come out with a great design, and then the players underneath copy the stylistic approach, which there's nothing proprietary about copying the style of a watch. As long as they don't use the name Patek, the name Rolex, the name Tag, as long as they don't use those names on their watches, they're free to use the designs of these watches. Now, there are many players in the budget watch industry that do produce good quality watches. Some are horrendous. Some are really, really nice. Pagani Design is one of the good ones. We've got Olevs. We've got Pagani Design. We've got Invicta. We've got Pin Time. We've got Mini Focus. We've got Naviforce. We've got Denvalsi. We've got a lot of watch brands out there that produce great quality watches for a fraction of the price that you would pay for their luxury counterparts. So when you're talking about a $1.5 million design, not a $1.5 million watch, you can get this watch, which is a $1.5 million to $5.5 million valued design. When you can get a watch like this for this price, under $100, under $90 on Amazon right now, why wouldn't you jump on the chance to be able to put one of these beautiful watches on your wrist? I mean, guys, like I said, every time I wear this watch, I get at least one to three compliments on it. Easily. I mean, this thing just looks beautiful from a distance. It looks beautiful close up. Everybody loves this watch. It's a great watch. I'm not kidding when I tell you, when you put this thing on your wrist, people are going to notice. It's a beautiful, beautiful watch. And the Pagani Design version is going to be much better quality than this one, even though this quality is great by itself. I would venture to guess that the Pagani Design is going to have a milled stainless clasp. It's probably going to have a safety. It's probably going to be much nicer than this version. So guys, why wouldn't you jump on the opportunity and grab one of these things for less than 90 bucks? So at any rate, I just wanted to show you guys this watch because I realized that I never really did a review on it. I basically, when I got this thing, I threw it on my wrist, I wore it, and I never really did a review on it. I did a 1-minute quick review on it, and I probably may have done unboxing of this watch. But guys, I don't think I ever really gave it the attention that it deserves because I just loved wearing it so much. I don't think it ever made it onto the editing table for me to be able to do a review for you. So that day is today. This is a beautiful watch, stainless bracelet. It's water resistant. The version that I am going to point you to is probably going to be much better quality than this, but much better quality overall. So either way, it's got a date window. It's got a beautiful dial. Keeps great time, great band, bracelet. Just a wonderful, wonderful watch that's going to get you a lot of compliments. It is really a beautiful watch that everyone loves. So, that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So, if you like that content, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos. Till next time, I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. You guys have a great week.